Hey there, cosmic travelers. Welcome to Guided by the Stars. I'm Brahbata, your guide through the wondrous Age of Aquarius. Picture this, a universe where extraterrestrials, our cosmic neighbors, are just a thought away. Imagine the Pleiadians, Sirians, and people from reaching out to us, eager to share their wisdom. It sounds wild, right? But let me tell you, it's closer than you think. The stars, they're not just twinkling in the sky, they're our guardians, lighting the path to love and happiness. Imagine a world where we embrace this new era with open arms, a time of cosmic awakening and enlightenment. Now, if you're seeking guidance, look no further than Brahbata.space. It's a wellspring of wisdom, ready to enlighten us all. Here, you'll find teachings that help navigate this Age of Aquarius, a time of transformation and renewal. Let the stars be your compass and your heart your guide. As you journey through life, stay healthy and happy. Be kind and confident. Keep the faith alive in your soul and trust in the universe. It's about believing in the power of love and unity. Remember, God is real, a divine force within and around us, guiding us toward a brighter, harmonious world. Together, let's embrace this cosmic destiny and create a future filled with peace and joy for everyone. Alright, cosmic travelers, that's our journey for today. Keep looking to the stars, and until next time, may your path be filled with light and love. Stay cosmic. And please do not forget to search around Brahbata.space for further informations. Love will shine a light.